and today's live session is going to be extremely delicious actually, because we're learning how to make chili cheese toast. Chef Nehal is going to join us and he's going to teach us how to make chili cheese toast. And honestly, I'm so excited because anything that has cheese, I love it. So thank you. Okay, how many of you like cheese? Give me a heart if you all are cheese lovers just like me. I love cheese. Okay, lots of people like cheese. Okay, Chef Nehal is here. Okay. Hey, hi.
How are you?
How are you? I'm really good. How are you?
I am good. Are you ready to make some yummy food?
Yes, I'm so excited. I was just telling them anything with cheese, I am in for it. I love
That is awesome, and I'm really excited to do this live with you guys.
Yes, can you like quickly just tell our audience what we're making today and what ingredients would they need?
So let's check out. Like, do you want me to jump straight into the ingredients, or do you want to know anything about quarantine cooking? Or
Sorry?
do you want to jump straight into the ingredients?
Yeah, you can tell them what all we're
Yeah.
using today. And,
So
yeah.
Okay. So we are making a chili cheese toast. This is a really quick snack. एंड ये बहुत जल्दी बन जाता है, तो अगर आपको बर्तन वर्तन भी कम धोने हैं, कम मेहनत करनी है, तो एक क्विक स्नैक है. I kind of promote both sides of the recipe. Sometimes I want to make like really complicated and technical stuff, but sometimes you really want that cheat meal, yeah, cheesy meal. So this is one of them. And let's look at some of the ingredients that you need for this. So one thing you need is your butter. So you need butter, garlic, and some parsley. So you're going to be making a garlic butter out of that. And then you got your pepper mixture. So you got these trios of peppers. You got red, green, and yellow. Some chilies, chili flakes. And you're going to mix that up as a vegetable topping for your bread. And you just need some sliced bread and some grated cheese. That's all. It's a very, very simple recipe, guys. And I'm telling you, like, it is like वो थोड़ी comfort food है, like that cheese and that garlic and everything. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll turn off the comments while we're making this. But if you have any questions, कुछ भी आपको कोई भी questions हो, आप जब मैं turn back करूँगी comments, आप तब पूछ सकते हैं.
Yeah, that's. So, okay. I mean, if I might look touch, you can just yell out the question and I'll just answer it.
I will do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me just.
So do you want to start?
Yes, we can start.
Let's go. So let's get the pepper mixture ready first. This is the mixture that you're going to top on top of your bread, and let's get that ready.
Okay, I have my peppers ready.
So I have already cut the green and the yellow pepper. I'm just going to chop up the red bell peppers.
I'll just show them. So these are my peppers ready.
Yeah, that looks fine.
Red capsicum, green, yellow.
Yeah.
Then we have
I thought you said you didn't find any.
Oh yeah, then I found it in the end.
Yeah, that's good. So just chop them up and then
chili flakes, lots and lots of cheese, butter, bread. Everything's ready.
It's good. So I think let's start with the mixture for the peppers.
Yes.
And we're going to take all these vegetables and put them in the bowl, right? So you put all your peppers and everything in a bowl. Make sure you don't dirty your work area. The जितना कम साफ सफाई करने में उतना ही अच्छा है. Some green chilies. Right, let's season that with some salt. You can add some olive oil in here if you want, just to flavor up your potatoes. अगर extra virgin oil है या
इसमें tomatoes भी डालने हैं.
Sorry.
Should I put the tomatoes also in this?
Yeah, you can just put all your vegetables that you're going to top on your bread, peppers, the green capsicum, everything goes into this bowl. And then after that, we'll make the garlic butter for the bread.
Okay. And I put a little bit of salt also, right?
Yes, salt is very important. नमक भूलिए मत, नहीं तो बहुत गालियाँ पड़ती है. तो नमक हमेशा स्वाद अनुसार. Okay, I'm just adding some parsley, and I'm going to mix this up. So this is your vegetables for your toast.
Cool.
Are we good to go?
Yes.
All right. I think you're doing better than me. Okay, so
Because I'm really hungry right now, so I'm really excited.
I know भूख लगी तो लोग कुछ भी कर सकते हैं actually.
हाँ, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Okay,
done.
so now if you're ready with that looks good. That looks really nice. So okay, yeah, that looks nice. That's good. So now we'll move to the next step, and
Yeah.
the best ingredient in my house, butter.
Butter. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, so you take a piece of sliced bread,
Yep.
and you're gonna butter it up. Just regular plain butter, salted Amul की जो butter होती है.
हाँ. एक साइड पे ही लगाना है ना?
एक ही साइड पे लगाना है इसे.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, you know, दूसरे साइड पे मत लगाना, एक ही साइड पे लगाना. हम ये साइड एक्चुअली अभी टोस्ट करेंगे. So if you're ready, I'll move to my gas range.
Yep.
Okay.
Place here. I have my pan ready.
Okay, so make your pan nice and hot.
Yeah. I'm just trying to find.
Are you doing fine there?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find the lighter.
So tell me something. How many times in the do you cook after the lockdown?
Not that much, but if I do, then I just follow some recipe on YouTube and I'll make something.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna be back in 1 minute. I can't find something. I'll turn on the comments till then.
Okay, guys. So fry the bread one side. Just apply butter on one side, and we're gonna fry it. Okay, make sure your pan is nice and hot. And this doesn't take that long.
Oh, I got it.
और अगर आपको बटर नहीं डालना है तो you can just not use butter for
I
this.
got it.
Yay!
All right. Now I put my bread.
Yeah. Make your pan nice and hot before you put the bread. Huh?
It's very hot actually. Because I actually used it.
Okay, see this? You want this nice like crust forming. It's nicely caramelizing over there, the
Yeah.
flour. So I'm just going to color it a little bit more. Be careful of your hands. Please be safe. Don't burn yourself. Use like tools. I'm very used to the heat, so I can actually touch the food when it's on flame.
I got
Please.
my.
Because people sometimes want, like I let people taste food sometimes, and
Yeah.
they don't realize that I can eat really hot food, and I end up
because
giving to them,
you're
and
obviously a pro at it.
they end up burning their tongue, and I'm like, oh my god, I should have told you that. Okay, so this is ready. Look at that. That's a nice
Looks
color
so
there.
good.
And we'll head back to the table now. Is your bread ready as well?
Not yet.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Don't worry.
Yeah. So how are you killing time during quarantine? What is it that you're doing?
So
I'm sure you're
I mean,
cooking good meals every day.
making and cooking food has to be done at home, but I actually have not cooked so many recipes in my own house. I do it everywhere else. I work at restaurants, I create menus, but in my own house I have not spent that much time in the kitchen. But it's a great, actually for me it's more like teaching people how to cook, and it's one of the skills I believe people should learn. And it basically and it's not just it's learning different things. Don't get stuck into what you like to eat. Try and eat a lot of different things as well.
Yeah.
And it helps you.
And this is like a good time to experiment with things.
I do experiment with food, but not a lot. Because शायद मेरी भी शादी हो गई है, बीवी मारेगी ज्यादा खाना से एक्सपेरिमेंट किया तो।
Okay.
तो चलिए, let's go to the next step.
Yeah. Let's move on to the next step. My toast is going to take a little while. It's okay.
Okay. So now we got our bread nice and toasted.
Yep.
Let's make the garlic butter. Okay.
Okay.
So I always have this thing that fat is flavor, and people don't agree with it most of the time.
Okay.
One
So I got my butter ready.
You got your butter ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some chopped garlic to it.
How much butter do you need actually?
About 1 spoon. You don't need more than 1 tablespoon.
Okay, this much is fine, right?
Yeah. So you put some chopped garlic.
Yes. Got my garlic.
So this is salted butter already, so I'm not gonna add any salt to it.
Yeah.
Some parsley
Yep.
और coriander भी डाल सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपको जो मिला अभी वो डाल दीजिए इसमें. I'm putting some chili flakes just to make it like a spicy compound butter.
My bread is also ready. Looks
Yay! That looks nice. That looks nice.
good. Okay.
Okay, let's mix up this garlic butter.
What all did you put?
So you put garlic, you put some parsley, or if you have coriander, add coriander.
Okay. And your chili flakes, is it?
Yeah, so just to recap on anyone watching, we are making the chili cheese toast. This is a really quick recipe and I'm making it with Shruti, who is going to beat me to this. So let's see who gets this
Do
done.
I add my oregano and chili flakes in this?
Okay, so garlic, I didn't get you. What do you say?
Should I add my chili flakes also in this?
No, just little bit of chili flakes and that's it. Oregano we'll add on top of the toast.
Okay.
Okay, this is the good stuff. You can get addicted to this butter, trust me.
Yeah,
And,
I love anything with garlic in it.
I love it. Like, I make this. If some recipe says 2 cloves of garlic, I'm like, you need 15.
उसी से टेस्ट आता है वैसे.
Okay, so I'm just going to get my cheese.
Okay.
Okay, so let's spread some garlic butter over the cooked side, the crusty side of the bread. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So you don't want to put it on this side because this side goes back into the pan or it goes back into the oven, wherever you want to make this. Okay. So I'm going to just apply some butter on it. How are you looking there, Shruti? All good?
Yes. That's how my.
So how many people do you have to eat these? Like, कौन-कौन है आपके घर में ये खाने
my
के लिए?
family is actually waiting right here outside. बने और मैं खा ले सारे.
So you see that I have applied the garlic butter on the side on the toast.
Yes.
And I have some more bread which I have already toasted.
Okay, great.
And I'm just going to put some more butter on it. So what you can do is, if you have an OTG,
Yeah.
right? If you have an OTG, you can just make these, put it on a tray, and pop it in the OTG and just wait till the cheese melts. So peppers do not have to be cooked.
Yeah.
They can be eaten like this. But if you don't like the rawness of the bell peppers, I would advise that you saute it before you use it. But this gives that nice crispy freshness to your toast. So I would use it this way, but if you feel like cooking it, it's all up to you.
That's how my toast looks.
So as you know, this is our bell pepper mixture, right?
Yes.
So now we will start putting the bell pepper mixture over our toast.
Okay. that's how my bread looks.
All right. Wow, that looks good. That looks good.
Yeah.
You're there. I'm just a little prepped. Like I'm a little prepped ahead of you because there's just a work hazard actually. मैं थोड़ा पहले ही ready रख देता हूँ.
अच्छी बात है actually.
And let's top this off with some cheese.
Yes.
I
the
would-
most favorite part.
If you guys can find better cheese, please use it. You know, cheddar है, cheddar use कीजिए. Mozzarella है, mozzarella use कीजिए. I have processed cheese, and that's what we will go with. But processed cheese is good also. यार comfort food है यार, मजा आके खाने के लिए. Let's put some more cheese.
Yes, I put lots of cheese. I think my toast is covered in cheese.
And so tell me something about Shadi Saga. What is it about?
Okay, so Shadi Saga is an online wedding portal, and we help couples.
Yeah.
We help them by providing them different vendors in their city and in their budget. For example,
Yeah.
if you're looking for a makeup artist or if you're looking for a photographer, then you can
Okay.
contact us and we'll help you find the best photographer or the best makeup artist in your city and your budget. So.
That's really interesting. तो किसी को खाना बनाने सीखना है तो प्लीज मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिए. मैं खाना बनाने सिखा दूंगा.
काफी लोग
I mean, मेरी रेस्टोरेंट में काम करने के बाद पेशेंस थोड़ी कम हो गई लोगों को सिखाने में, लेकिन एक्चुअली इंस्टाग्राम पे खाना बनाते बनाते मैं सीख गया हूँ खाना
That's how
बनाने.
my toast looks.
Oh wow! Are you cheating and heading ahead of me?
I've loaded it with cheese.
I think you cheated. You had it ready beforehand. Okay, now let's move this to our gas. तवे पे डाल देंगे इसको. And you don't need like very high heat. बहुत low medium heat पे रख दीजिए इसे. And so you take a piece
Yeah.
and pop it here. थोड़ा सा heat and then just cover it. And I think that should take about a minute. So for the rest of these, I'm going to just pop them out in my oven because I'm cheating now.
Okay, but guys, that's an alternative. If you want,
That's an alternative. You can make this in your OTG. And the tawa is if you don't have an oven or you don't have an OTG, you can try it in that. In my oven.
That's how it looks.
There it goes. I've almost kept it on like full.
All right, we'll take on some questions while that's happening.
So the best thing about cooking at home during this quarantine has been the cleaning up. You don't have a maid. So that's one of the ways where I've kept my
You
weight like constant. I haven't put on a lot of weight because बर्तन धोने पड़ते हैं, कटका करना पड़ता है, झाड़ू करना पड़ता है, कपड़े धोने.
There's so much to do. I know. So my mom
Yeah.
told me you are making all of this, but you're the one who's going to clean all of this. So that's going to happen. Okay, someone's asking how long should we put the toast in the OTG?
Sorry, what did you hear?
How long should we put the toast in the OTG?
So you just have to put it like if you preheat your oven to say about 200 degrees, it just takes like 3 minutes to get done, maybe less than that. 2 minute के अंदर ready हो जाता है ये.
Yes.
And it's pretty quick. So, but make like I would advise कि OTG में डाल रहे तो you can toast both sides of your bread. But if you're doing it on the pan, do it only one side because you have to put it back on the तवे पे डालना है ना.
Ritika, yes, this live will be saved for 24 hours on our story, so you can go check it out. And in case it goes off the stories, you can check it out on our YouTube channel as well. It's called Shadi Saga, so all live videos are being uploaded there, so you can go have a look at it there too. So you guys have any questions with whatever we've done so far, please ask. Oh, Deepak is asking, can you tell which are the types of cheeses used and for what dishes?
So like if you're using for a pizza, I would advise go for a mozzarella cheese. And for anything that you're baking, like, you know, if you're doing a baked pasta, you can use a cheddar, you can use a Gruyere. And if for घर के लिए मतलब अभी हमें मिल ही रहा है प्रोसेस चीज तो हम वही यूज करेंगे. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. कितना खा रहे हैं वो कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा, बस वही बात है. And yeah, different cheeses have different purposes. So, you know, fresh mozzarella agar mile to it goes well on a slice of tomato with some balsamic vinegar. If you get good aged mozzarella, it goes well in your pizza. So, you know, it's all there.
Someone's asking if they can put onion in it. Yeah, of course you can put onion, right? We can put onion in this too, right?
Yeah, so I'm just going to wait on this. It's going to take about 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
And the heat is on full.
See, my toast is not burning. It
Let
smells
me check
so
on
good.
the
garlic
oven
flavor.
mein kya hai? That looks almost there.
Okay. Deepak is asking what is Parmesan cheese used for?
Parmesan cheese is used for something that people will be like aware about. Parmesan cheese is used for making pesto. It is used for making a lot of food in Italian cooking, and I have worked for 8.5 years in an Italian restaurant, proper Italian restaurant, not your pink sauce, white sauce. Parmesan cheese is Italy. It's like Italy everywhere written on it. And it's got some great flavor, guys. So jis cheese mein bhi dalo aap, it brings out this umami in it, and it's crazy. Like if you get a chance to cook with Parmesan cheese, please do so.
Someone's asking, do you have any tips on food photography?
Food photography tips. I think first, understand what you're cooking. So if you're baking something, it has a different texture, feel to it. If you're sauteing something, it's a different feel. So understand what you're cooking and keep cooking more before you understand photography also. So photography is one thing that you need to understand. Cooking is another aspect of it. तो दोनों समझ के फिर अगर आप उतरेंगे to do food photography, that will be better.
Kanika is asking, can we use some dressings as well, like harissa or like Southwest sauce?
Southwest is a type of mayo, so I don't know about that. But there are a lot of simple homemade dressings that you can make at home. Like you can make a lemon vinaigrette with some lemon juice, pepper, and olive oil. You can make if you have blue cheese, you can make a blue cheese vinaigrette. Balsamic dressing बना सकते हैं, बहुत easy है balsamic and honey dressing. So Southwest is very heavy.
How to make the balsamic dressing.
Balsamic is all you need is a ratio of 1:3. So if your vinegar is 1, you need 3 parts of oil. तो अगर 1 चम्मच vinegar जाता है तो 3 चम्मच तेल, salt and pepper, and that's it.
Yes. Won't having a lot of cheese will put more weight? Of course, if you have lots of cheese, you not weight. But if you do,
I think
there
you go.
After that.
That's it. See there. I wish I could get some more cheese melt, but
that's toast looks so good. Let me just show you.
There you go. See, and this is very, very, very comforting. Trust me, बहुत मजा आता है ये खाने के लिए.
Are you ready to see my toast?
Show me.
It looks so good.
Okay, I am. Oh wow! Wow.
Woo.
That looks really good.
Yeah, the cheese is so.
Did you do that? Like, did you practice this like a couple of days before?
No.
I'm pretty sure you did. You told me you couldn't cook at all. Like you told me, "अरे मुझे cooking आती ही नहीं है." But you seem to be like a fantastic cook, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's in the genes. My mom's a really good cook.
Yeah.
So probably.
So I'm sure she's gonna make you clean the entire kitchen after this.
Yes. She will. Okay.
But that's
can
good.
you give? Someone's asking, where did you learn food photography?
I didn't learn food photography. I've learned to cook for 14 years. I've been a chef, but just I have a knack to understand to learn from people and what they do. तो अगर आप मुझे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के साथ भी बिठा देंगे तो मैं समझ जाऊंगा कि मेकअप कैसे करते हैं. And that's just one, like that brain is wired like that. आप मुझे किताब देंगे तो मैं कुछ नहीं समझूंगा. मुझे कुछ पढ़ाई तो समझ में नहीं आती, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल वर्क हुआ तो मैं समझ जाता हूँ. So food photography is just one of the things I've learned while doing it and like learning more about it. And that is what advice I have to people is start doing it instead of overthinking it. Doesn't lead anywhere.
Yes. Okay, is your toast done?
Sorry. Yeah, my toast is done. See, can you hold this? And we're just going to plate it.
It's okay.
Yes.
So either you can cut it, like I would cut it in triangles.
That's also correct.
And I think the OTG one is ready as well.
It's really hot.
There you go.
Oh, it looks so good.
And I'm just going to cut these into triangles. Let's put them on the plate.
Oh wow, you
And
cooked it so
to
beautifully.
now
My
to
plate
get
is
that,
empty.
I mean, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to show off a little bit.
Okay, how did you put
And to
this on?
just to quench it all down in this nice summery day, we've got a nice rose soda, and you
Wow.
got a chili cheese toast.
Okay, tell me how do you make that design with the sauce? I want to do it on my plate.
You want to do it on your plate? Okay, I'm going
Yes.
to teach you that.
Okay.
Okay, I have ketchup over here, so I'm going to try with ketchup.
Yeah.
So if you wanna learn that, that's actually great. No one's actually asked me how do you do that, and I want to learn. So I'm going to
I
teach you
want
this.
to.
So at
Yeah.
one part, like this corner or any corner of your
Yeah.
plate, add the ketchup like a dollop.
Okay.
Okay,
1 sec.
you got it.
No, 1 minute. Okay, got it.
And now you take your spoon.
Okay.
So I'm holding the plate in my hand, right? And I'm gonna use this corner to pull.
Okay.
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 So I'm pulling the sauce towards me. Do you
Okay.
wanna go for it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, there you go. Don't stop. Just go for it. If you do one shot, just go for it. Don't like if I'm pulling, I just go for it. Like and then we
Okay.
whatever shape happens. But that's a good first attempt. I like that. Very good, Shruti. I think you'll be a good chef.
Thank you.
So that is the chili cheese toast, guys.
That's my version, and that's his with the cold drink, which looks really good.
Wow, that looks good. I'm
Nice.
sorry. I'm just a show off. I'm
Oh,
just
your
a show off.
plate looks beautiful.
Wow, that's a lot of people watching. Thank you guys for watching us. Yeah, it's like
They can't wait to try it out.
please do try the recipes on my page as well. So
Deepak
if you need the
is
recipe,
sorry. Continue.
so the recipes on my page. If you guys want to make this as well, I have a bunch of different recipes that I do. I do some easy stuff. I do some technically advanced stuff. I've got a mix of all recipes which you guys can try.
Yeah. Okay. Deepak is asking, how does the cheese get cooked from the top and turn brown like when we order pizza from outside?
That's a different cheese, and it's cooked for much longer. This I've got. It's a different colored cheese, and your coloring of your cheese differs from cheese to cheese. So if I have mozzarella, it takes a little longer to char from up. And my oven is running from the top and bottom. So if you just have the top coil running, you can get that nice color. If I had this go in the oven for another couple of minutes, even this would have started browning. But I don't
Right.
want to have that brown cheese as well.
And would you like suggest putting say a sauce, any sauce on your bread first and then the toppings and cheese?
Definitely. So make this your own. These are just guides on how to cook, right?
Right.
But creativity and curiosity in cooking is what will make you more
So
interested in cooking.
what sauces can I put?
So if you got a pizza sauce, this becomes a pizza toast. If you put some chutney, it becomes a chutney garlic toast. You can put that sukha vada pav ka chutney
Like,
as well.
oh, okay. And green chutney?
Yeah, green chutney can work as well. Why not? You can put green chutney. You can put a red chutney. You can put
Yeah.
barbecue sauce and make this like a chili barbecue toast.
Right.
So you can actually put a mixture of a potato filling on top of this and then add cheese and becomes an aloo toast. So variations come only through imagination, and imagine what you want to make, it will get done.
This is a great evening snack. Even
Yeah.
for like breakfast, I think it's really nice.
It is.
Waking
It
up
is.
to cheese in the
And
morning.
I would recommend having like a nice cooling drink with this.
Oh my god, I just want
For-
to grab that drink from the screen.
because
Right now.
because it's so hot like in Bombay right now, and like I live on a flat. Let's above me is the
Yeah.
terrace of the society, so I'm literally living in an oven.
Yeah, same. Delhi is getting really hot too. But okay, so that was great. Thank you
That
so
was
much.
great. Thank you, Shruti, and I am very upset that you cheated in this chili cheese toast challenge, but I think you did very well, and thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for doing this. I hope you all enjoyed this. This video will be saved, so you
Yeah.
can check it out on our stories. Thank you so much, Nehal. Thank you for doing this for us.
Yep. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to check out my channel too. And I'll
Yes.
see you later.
We've already
Bye.
pinned your name, so
Yeah.
you guys can go
Yeah.
and check out his Instagram as well. Thank you. See you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, so that's how my cheese toast looks. I hope you all had a great time watching this, and I hope you all recreate this, make this. It's a super easy recipe. Yeah, it's a super easy recipe, so you guys should definitely make this. In case you missed out any step, any ingredient, don't worry, because I am going to save this live and it will be there for 24 hours on Shadi Saga's story, so you guys can go and check it out. We also have our YouTube channel by the name of Shadi Saga, and all live videos are being uploaded there. So in case the live video goes off our story, you can go and check it out on our YouTube channel. And I hope you guys are enjoying these live sessions. If there is anything else that you would like to see, please feel free to DM us, and we'd be more than happy to do that for you on our live. I hope you all are staying safe, and yeah, stay strong, stay safe. We'll get through this. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great day. Bye bye.